Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Gold price analysis XAU USD consolidates near 5-day top below $2,000 http ntvforex.com news ID E13085 5 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. Gold prices dropped to the lower end of the $1,990.78 trading range. US dollar weakness favors the safe haven buying amid trade wars, absence of American stimulus. Coronavirus COVID-19 woes add to the bullion AUS strength. U.S. housing market data, Fed's peak will act as assistance with risk catalysts on the driver AUS seat. Gold prices take rounds to $1,981.82 amid the early Tuesday morning in Asia. In doing so, the yellow metal seesaws around the 5-day top, flashed the previous day, while easing with the recently established range between $1,990 and $1,978. While multiple risk catalysts and the greenback AUS weakness triggered the precious metal AUS rise on Monday, the Quotia AUS latest weakness is more likely a pullback amid a lack of major catalysts. A no entry for Bursa NBSP. Irrespective of the latest softness in gold prices, the sellers are still barred amid factors challenging the market AUS risk tone sentiment. Among them, the pandemic takes the front seat as global leaders are jostling to find any cure to the deadly virus. The recent numbers ease from the US, likely due to the fewer testing, but the record death toll in the latest epicenter Victoria joins the fresh rise in cases from France and Germany to keep the fears of the virus on the table. Secondly, the US-China tussle turns bitter as the Trump administration keeps increasing the hardships of companies from Beijing. Despite the recently stalled trade review meet, American diplomats announced punitive measures for Hawaii in the latest attack on the Dragon Nation. Moving on, the U.S. Congress fails to match market expectations of another $1 trillion stimulus amid political differences. The latest raw pushed the senators to call a month-long off to the House before resuming the work to discuss post-office issue. It should be noted that the recently announced U.S. New York Empire State Manufacturing Index offered the fresh blow to the U.S. dollar index DXY that gradually drops toward the 26-month bottom marked early Indiana the month. Amid all these catalysts, Wall Street offered mixed clues whereas S&P 500 futures stay clueless near 3,380 as we write. Further, the U.S. 10-year Treasury yields dropped 1.8 basis points to 0.69% by the end of Monday AUS North American session. Given the lack of major data events up for publishing amid the Asian session, gold traders may witness an additional weakness unless any risk-negative headlines cross the wires. Technical analysis: the bullion AUS pullback from 10-day SMA, currently near $1,985, highlights Thursday AUS top near $1,965, followed by $1,930, for sellers. However, any more downside past $1,930 will take rest around $1,900, if not then the latest bottom close to $1,860 will be challenged next. Meanwhile, $2,000 holds the key to the bullion AUS further upside beyond $1,985. Additional important levels overview: today last price 1981.46, today daily change 36.86, today daily change percent 1.90%, today daily open 1944.6, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 1950.58, daily SMA 50 1839.68, daily SMA 100 1768.58, daily SMA 200 1654.32, NBSP levels: previous daily high 1962.3, previous daily low 1932.46, previous weekly high 2049.96, previous weekly low 1863.24, previous monthly high 1984.8, previous monthly low 1757.7, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 1943.86, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 1950.9, daily pivot point S1 1930.61. Daily pivot point S2 1916.61, daily pivot point S3 1900.77, daily pivot point R1 1960.45, daily pivot point R2 1976.29, daily pivot point R3 1990.29, NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.